Today we will take a look at a tough off-road challenge between the luxurious Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the all-electric Hongqi IIHS 9 as they climb a steep hill. The Cullinan uses its powerful engine and smooth control, while the IIHS 9 depends on instant electric power to push forward. So the big question is, can the Chinese Rolls-Royce Hongqi beat the ultimate luxury SUV, or will the Cullinan come out on top? With each failed climb, the tension builds, turning the moment into a true test of perseverance, showing that in extreme conditions, power alone isn't enough. Control, traction, and experience can make all the difference. Just as the tension builds, the focus shifts. And now the Hongqi IIHS 9 faces a new obstacle, a steep, slippery mud climb where traction becomes everything, its wheels fighting for grip as the terrain turns unpredictable and unforgiving. The surface is wet, uneven, and unforgiving, and despite multiple attempts, the IIHS 9 struggles to maintain traction. Then the challenge shifts as the Rolls-Royce Cullinan enter a rough river crossing with rushing water and hidden rocks, testing their balance and control. It's no longer just about winning, but about how each SUV handles pressure and proves its strength. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan glides effortlessly over the slippery mud road, almost dancing as it drifts with remarkable control. Even on the trickiest stretches, the Cullinan stays composed. Moving on to its next challenge, and now it has just intensified, with more steeper, slippery, and twice as tough as before. Now, with a smaller Hongqi SUV tackling the slope, every wheel spin and slip feels amplified, making it a true test of precision and control, pushing the vehicle to its limits. There's a constant tension in the air, hoping the powertrain holds up as the SUV struggles upward, proving both its strength and resilience under extreme pressure. Now we move to the last and final challenge. Crossing to the other side using just 2 tree trunks as a makeshift mini-bridge. One small misstep could cause the logs to break, testing not only the SUV's balance and control, but also the nerves of anyone behind the wheel.